Ring light on, coffee in hand, playlist humming while the
Hello and welcome back to Vondessa J. Well, guys, this is the part 2, and let it be known we are doing the cleaning portion and rearranging first. The color, I will definitely announce my color, but I'm not going to reveal it quite yet. But if you think you know the color that I will be doing this spring, please do leave it in the comments down below. If you get it right, your girl might have to change this to a giveaway, okay? So what I'm doing now, I've told y'all in portion number 1 video that the curtains, your girl have already been on Amazon. Yes, I have, because I don't like my curtains like this. So we are going to do something about that. The second thing is, I did move my curtains up higher. I moved my chairs from this side. I'll talk about the wall from the damage from last summer with the air conditioned people coming in. So we're going to solve that before we do a lot of moving. So what I decided to do, and what I told you in part number 1, I was moving my wine chest. Now this thing, guys, when I tell you it's heavy empty. Just imagine with all of this wine inside. But we are going to go through this and we are going to declutter it. It needs it very, very bad. So we are going to do the decluttering to this. Okay, guys, so now we're going to tackle this bird of paradise. I did get this from Michael's some years ago when it was half price. It was $100. Without the half price, of course, it was $200. But let me tell you something. If you have a fake plant, please take the time and clean them. This is my first time this year cleaning this plant. What I love to do, clean it down really good and then give it a scent within a cleaner. So I did use a lemon cleaner on this. It's by Favolaso. Guys, I am not a Favolaso person. But let me tell you something. That new lemon scent and that pineapple, let me tell you, baby, they got your girl in a whole chokehold, okay? And if you don't know, your girl have her own cleaning businesses that I do offices and homes. And I'm telling you, this is how I came across the pineapple and also the lemon favolazo. I'm telling you, my clients love it. This plant, I guarantee she's smiling, okay? She's smiling because I gave her a good old-fashioned clean down. If you have a bird of paradise or any other fake plant, what do you use to clean down your plant? Me, it's the typical Dawn detergent, hot water, and if I'm in that mood for a scent, I add a scent. I do exactly what I'm doing with this one. I do have some plants that's in my bathroom. So when we get to my bathroom portion, I am going to show you exactly how to clean a plant that the stems are in that clear gel that makes it look like water. I'm going to show you what I do to clean my plant. So these are just the easiest thing. The greenery with the bigger leaves is so easy to clean. So what I love about this one, you can also take the leaves off and rearrange it. You will see coming up how I rearranged this, but it is another thing that I'm going to do coming up to the same plant. If you are new over here at the VeeHive, I would like to say hello and welcome. I am Vondessa J. I love home decor, healthy eating, traveling, cooking delicious meals, and a lot more. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are on. And if you are new here and you hit that subscribe button, welcome to the VeeHive. Okay, this is maybe a temporary move for this plant. Guys, I am finally going to release these vases, or I may not. I do want some tall vases. You know, usually during the summertime, I bring in my white vases from outside. So I might just use one of those vases and just set this pot inside that one so I can still have height. But I don't like this just sitting there. I just don't. I know you like, girl, there's nothing wrong with it. For my aesthetics and what I want, it just does not work. So what I'm doing now is adjusting the leaves. One of the leaves kept poking into the curtains and I don't want that, so I was just like, let me just go ahead and put the bigger leaf on the bottom and a smaller leaf on top. And after all, guys, it worked out perfect. So I'm loving the plant right here. I wish I could put my live one over here, but no, she loves the dining room, so I'm gonna keep her there. So here it is. So let's now move over to the next task. So guys, now we're gonna decorate the wine caddy, but guess what, guys? I had a phone call and I was so wrapped up into that phone call, I did not hit play on my Sony camera. So unfortunately, I can't give you any more of the video, but what I can do is go ahead and give you the after of what it looks like and the pictures. So here it goes.
From my dresser to the stovetop, from the closet to the laptop, you can sit right here while the real life drops. Soft glow, loud laughs, that's me. Basketball dreams on your screen. We glow, we glow, we breathe. Healthy heart, you fit, finding our peace. Soft glow, loud laughs, that's Vondessa. That's me. Basketball dreams on your screen. We glow.
Okay guys, so make sure you have on your notification. Make sure you are subscribed, okay? Go ahead and hit it because we have a lot more to go. I have started working on my bedroom and it is so much that I'm going to be showing you guys, but I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what I have already done in my living room. And guys, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.